Hello, I'm Karen from Essex Wildlife Trust, and today for my random act of wildness I've come to the woods here at Langdon Nature Reserve for a bit of mindfulness. Quite often creating something can really absorb your mind and take your mind off your worries and focus on something else. So today here in the woods I'm going to be creating a nature mandala. And mandalas are a symbolic representation of the universe. Literally means circle in Sanskrit, and it's used in many cultures, in Buddhism and Hinduism, as an aid to meditation. And creating the mandala, the image, allows you to focus your mind, takes your thoughts away from the stresses of the day, and concentrate on creating something beautiful. So that's what I'm going to do here in the peace and tranquility of the woods this morning. So to start with, on my walk this morning, I collected things that caught my eye. Different colours, different shapes, and things that I really associate with the reserve here. So something that makes me feel part of the reserve. And as always, I've only picked things up from the floor, so the pine cones that have fallen off in the hot, dry weather. Probably same with the little apples that haven't really ripened yet. So all collected from the floor and all ready to create my mandala. So a mandala always starts with something special in the middle to mark the centre of the universe. So I've chosen these green leaves and a snail shell. And now I'm going to work from there, working outwards in concentric circles, building up my pattern with the materials that I found. And there it is, a beautiful nature mandala made in the peace and tranquility of the wood. What a lovely way to spend a few hours outdoors connecting with nature. So thank you for joining me in the woods today. Want to have a go at making your own nature mandala as your random act of wildness today? You can do it wherever you are, in the garden, in school if you're back at school, or out in the peace and quiet of the woods. Whatever you choose to make it, I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy the rest of your 30 days wild. Stay safe, stay wild.